What is going on, bearded brothers? DanCBearded here, your trusted teacher for all things beard related. And today we're going to talk about beard butters. No, not your mama's cooking butter, but beard butter. And there are two predominant butters in the game today. One is a lighter base whipped butter. The second is a heavier bodied with wax in the butter. I'm going to break down the benefits of both, the situations for both, and even tell you which one I use or both of them in rotation. Everything you need to know about the two most common types of beard butter. Beard butter. I've said it once, I've said it twice, I will say it forever. An absolute game changer in the world of beard products. If you have not tried beard butter yet, I highly recommend you guys try this fantastic product, especially for your nighttime nourishment. I have guys ask me questions about breakage or split ends or just overall their beard not feeling and looking healthy, and I always have three things that I recommend. The first thing is drink more water, always. Number two, add a cold rinse to the end of your shower. And number three, work beard butter into your nighttime routine. The beard butter is going to nourish your hair and do some great benefits for the skin as well, but really going to target your hair, the ends of your hair, the health of your hair. It is a wonderful, wonderful product. But of course, there's a lot of options out there and even types. The two types we're talking about in this video today are the whipped light butters and then the butters that have wax and a little bit heavier body. I'm going to show you both examples and kind of talk about them. The first one I'm going to show you is the lighter version with no wax in there, and it is a whipped butter. This one is from Husky Beard. This is a company that is impressing me more and more every day. Now this is called a beard cream, but that's just a cool name because it is actually a whipped beard butter. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like, and the first thing you're going to notice, it has an absolute white color to it. There is no color changing because of any beeswax in there, and you can see that it looks very light, almost sponge-like, and it's absolutely phenomenal. When you put this product in your hand, it is going to emulsify by not even doing anything. The natural heat of your hand will start to melt that product. You work it into your beard and it's very light, it's very free feeling, and you're just gonna get pure nourishment. Now the second type of beard butter does have beeswax in it, and it does have a little bit more of body to it. The company I'm gonna be showing you with their beard butter is Detroit Grooming, another one of my favorite companies. If you ever catch a live stream with the owner, Detroit Grooming Mike, and myself, we talk facts and knowledge for hours and hours, and we have to cut ourselves off. I could listen to that guy talk all day. He knows this stuff like it's his life because it is his life. Now when you look at their beard butter, you'll see a major difference right away. That coloration is much more yellow, and that is because of that beeswax as well being in here. Now, the main butter in both of these is shea butter. Shea butter is a really, really great ingredient for your hair and for your skin. The really big difference is that beeswax that we find in the Detroit Grooming. So what are the differences? What does that offer? Why does it not offer for the other side? One of the main things would be a little bit of styling and a little bit of hold. If you are looking to wear a beard butter during the day and you want just a little bit of style, a little bit of hold to keep everything together, a beard butter could be a really good option from a company like Detroit Grooming. The more whipped butter with no wax is not really going to give you any hold whatsoever. But some guys even prefer that for the daytime. They want that wispy, natural, flowing beard, and they want the benefits of a beard butter. That could work. I personally do not wear beard butter during the day right now. Who knows in the future if that will change, but currently I only use beard butter for my nighttime routine, and most days I only use beard oil during the morning, and it gives me this look that I'm looking for, and my beard is extremely healthy. So that really is the main difference between the two, is that little bit of hold that you could achieve during the day. At night, they are both going to equally nourish your beard in amazing, amazing ways. So, question to leave you guys with here. What is your experiences with beard butter? And do you prefer the whipped light butter with no beeswax? Or do you prefer the heavier bodied butter that has some beeswax in it? All great companies, it really comes down to the preference for what you're using this beard butter for. I personally use both styles absolutely evenly. I rotate them every night. If I go 2 nights with one, I'll go 2 nights with the other. My beard loves both of them, and I don't really like to just stick with one style or the other. I see a lot of benefits when I switch it up with my beard. I've actually had a video about that, and the same idea is there with beard butter. I like to change it up. I like to keep things guessing, and I really enjoy both products, so there's no reason for me to pick one or the other. So I hope you guys learned a little bit about the 2 styles of beard butters. I appreciate you guys adding to the information, adding to the discussion in the comments, so thank you guys. DanCBearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.